Let's look how Romance and Violetta will show us Cha Cha Choreography with teaching count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 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 1. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 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 1. And now let's look at the same choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we start with preparation step on 1 and dance close basic. Release hold with one hand and dance hand to hand. We continue with spiral into rope spinning, 2 bars. Then we dance natural opening out. Finish with turn to left and start reverse top, first 10 steps. And we will finish reverse top with close hip twist ending into fan position. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. So we take close hold, preparation step on count 1. We dance close basic. We continue with hand to hand, 1 bar, which we finish with spiral into rope spinning, 2 bars. Man dances on the spot, lady goes around, and we dance natural opening out, which we turn at the end to left and dance a reverse top, first 10 steps, and we finish reverse top into fan position, dancing close hip twist ending. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.